Louder. You guys speak louder. If I can't hear you. You guys, this is Tanisha. She's gonna tell you about Hoover High and what she's done in her senior year. Go.
Well, I'm graduating this year.
Yeah, we all know.
I'm so excited. Oh my God, I'm gonna cry. But I can't cry, trying to hold it in.
This bitch.
Yeah. Whiskey.
Okay. Shut up.
Shut up.
Shut up these nuts.
Shut up. This is my
I caught that.
This is my time.
Go.
So. Whoa.
Just go.
Back it up.
No, it's fine. Go.
Right there.
You still got plenty of headroom. Go.
Well, I'm going to college. Not this year, but next year.
She should be going this year, this little bitch.
Because my mom, she wants to be a substitute teacher, so she wants me to go with her. So okay.
Don't get out too much information.
And then you're going to get banned.
What do you think of What do you think of your senior year? How was it? What do you think of it?
I don't want to leave.
Really?
Yes.
You do realize that this is going on Facebook and YouTube, because this video is going to your mother. Her face.
No.
Yes. So what do you think of Hoover? Is it trash? A dump?
I love Hoover.
Fuck you.
Fuck you too.
What else do you want to say?
I don't know.
Are you horny?
Bitch, shut the fuck up. No, I'm not.
Are you horny? Alright, well, she'll see you later. Say bye.
Deuces.
That's not a word. That's aloha.
Bye.
Better. Thank you. See you guys soon.